let's go ahead and create a few more resources and add parameters to those resources. So let's go back to the API documentation. Let's choose something here. Let's go ahead and do item. So we're going to need to grab this resource path. Go back to SoapUI. Click on this service, right click, new resource. You need to add a slash and then paste that in. Hit OK. And it's gone ahead and generated a new resource, a new method. So what did we do last time? So let's rename this to get item. Okay. And close that. And let's go ahead and add a parameter. Go back to the documentation. So it looks like it's going to take an ID or a name. So this one can take either or. Let's paste this in. This was also template. And back at the documentation one more time. Let's see what it's looking for. So ID, they have an ID of 1 here. So let's just for sample throw 1 in there and hit play. Let's go to the JSON tab. So we got data here. Go to the raw. We've got a 200. Okay, so things went well. Let me go back to here. Let's see, scroll down. So if you look at the bottom here, it says item or ID is 1. So that matches the value that we put in there. So that looks like that worked properly. Okay, let's do one more. Go back to the documentation. Let's do a Pokemon. All right, let's grab this guy. This is still going to be the ID or name, so let's remember that. Once again, right click, new resource, put a slash. Okay. Alright, so now we have a third resource. Let's rename this again. Rename get Pokemon. Okay. Close that. Oh, got a little hang there. Oh, cancel. Alright, let me save this. Okay, so it was ID or name, and it was template, and let's find an example. So let's use number 12. We should get Butterfree in the response. 12, and hit play. Alright, Butterfree. So it looks like that worked. 200 okay, so it looks like everything's good. So now we have created 3 resources, and we have 3 requests, all with their own parameters.